Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Spin2Win on SportyBet. First, you'll need to access the SportyBet platform, either through your web browser or by using their convenient mobile application. Once there, simply log in to your existing account. If you're new, it's a quick process to register for a new account. After logging in, navigate to the Games or Casino section to easily find and select the exciting Spin2Win game. Once you've opened Spin2Win, you'll see the game's interface. At its center is a vibrant spinning wheel, clearly displaying various multipliers and potential winnings. Take a moment to identify the betting options available, which allow you to select your desired stake amount for each round. It's also a good idea to quickly review the game rules and the payout table. This will give you a clear understanding of how the game works and what you can win. Now, let's talk about placing your bets. Before each spin, you'll need to choose your preferred bet amount. Use the easy-to-understand controls provided on the screen to adjust your stake. Once you're happy with your selection, make sure to confirm it. This locks in your stake for the upcoming round. Finally, to get the action started, simply click the designated spin button on the game interface and watch the wheel come to life. After you hit spin, the wheel will begin its rotation and eventually come to a stop, landing on a specific segment. This segment determines your result. If the wheel lands on a multiplier, your initial bet is multiplied by that value, and that's your winning amount. For example, a 2 times multiplier on a 100 Naira bet yields 200 Naira. All your winnings are automatically and instantly credited to your SportyBet account balance, ready for your next game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.